Whoa! Look at all the machines. That tiny digger is working hard. Let's build a new mini house.
Beep, beep. So many trucks. That one's bringing cement. Careful. Back it up slowly.
Wow! Crane is lifting something big!
Whoa! That dump truck's huge. Even the BMW has to wait. Safety first.
Oh no! A car broke down! But the rescue truck is here! Fix it up, tiny hero!
Even tiny trucks need gas. That one's getting full now. Time for a snack break, too. Careful on that mountain road. Look at those tiny trucks climb. Such brave little drivers. Vroom. That's a cool BMW. Where's it going? Into the tunnel. Let's follow it.
Nice ride. That BMW looks perfect here. Home sweet home for the little car.
Hi, friends. Are you having fun?
Yeah!
That's awesome. We've got more fun coming, so come join us for the next adventure.
Let's go!